I'm Santosh Oswal. Before starting my presentation, I want to present one 90 seconds video made in US when I got a Tech Award last year in Silicon Valley. So that will be quite helpful to us to understand my project. Nano Ganesh. I am from a farmer's family, and I used to observe that electricity is not available for the whole day. Now electricity has resumed at 2 o'clock in the midnight. My grandfather, the age of 83, he was traveling to the water pumps and waiting there for 2 hours. But after my finishing graduation in electrical and electronics engineering, the things were struck in my mind. I have to do something for these people. I came up with an exact solution what farmers were wanting. I struck with an idea of a mobile-based remote control for water pumps. It was small, low cost. A farmer can control his water pump from any place with the help of a simple mobile phone. He can understand the availability of the power supply at the pump end. Overall, last 10 years, we have installed 10,000 Nano Ganesh units. Farmers say that they have saved a lot of water, they have saved a lot of electricity. They are seeing that farmers could not believe you first time. So once he confirmed, oh, this is really working. He went from house to house and really he was shouting that my water pump set is now being controlled by my mobile phone. I took that as my career of my life, and I decided to dedicate my whole life for the water pumps and farmers. A lot of why. Water and electricity is wasted like anything just because of they cannot visit their water pumps so many times a day. 10 to 15 times at least they have to visit. And many of the times power supply is not available and during night period they have to travel. And then for need of the water they go. But for switching off there is a big negligence. Farmers are really clever. They are not poor only, but they are clever. They know what they need. They are exactly aware of their requirements. That's why they want some appropriate technology with proper answers of the technology. It's not that just high technology, but when you have to prove it in farmers and distant locations, there's a big challenge. We have gone across that. Just by simply switching, calling a mobile phone, this is a mobile phone. Nano Ganesh along with a low-cost mobile phone used as a wireless connectivity connected to the existing electric starter, and a farmer can call that mobile phone from any place, and by switching particular numbers he can control, he can understand availability as well as load status. Now here mobile phone has not been used on a table or in a pocket. It has been placed in the hazardous atmosphere in the forest and water area. That is the innovation where mobile has been used in the Nano Ganesh model itself. They want appropriate technology, simple. Any illiterate farmer can use it. So there should not be any barrier of the languages. Means old man, illiterate, or maybe a small child, everybody should use it very easily. What is the benefit? By just investing 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, they are saving 15,000 rupees a year. Not only water, electricity, but soil erosion, which is not been knowing to the new generation or urban people. But this is a loss we could then very well say because of the Nano Ganesh.
Santosh, 1 minute to go, please.
Yeah. Saving fuel, labor. Labor is a bit challenging, and their family is very happy because now instead of that farmer roaming around in the jungle area, that farmer is now happily sleeping with his wife during night period with a mobile control on the water pumps. And every element of the society is benefited because of Nano Ganesh, including government and private sector. And monetarily also, I have already told the reflections. Thank you.
All right, wonderful. That's quite interesting, and it seems to be gaining a lot of popularity. So, I think 2 questions, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.